While Health Minister Zweli Mkhize has discussed the resurgence of COVID-19 with Garden Route mayors and the Western Cape Health MEC, the Garden Route hasn't yet been declared a national hotspot like Nelson Mandela Bay, but this might happen after Mkhize meets with the National Coronavirus Command Council and the Presidential Command Council. He'll be discussing the challenges and suggestions presented to him by the area's municipalities before making a decision on whether further restrictions are needed. Nadine Turon brings us the latest.
Health Minister Zweli Mkhize is concerned about the number of people visiting the Garden Route, which is a major factor in the surge of coronavirus infections in the area.
This Garden Route district is actually a hotspot, and therefore we need to start looking at additional restrictions in relation to the use of public halls, swimming pools, large activities in parks and in beaches and so on, which we believe are a recipe for super spreader activities.
George has already closed public facilities and cancelled sports events and festivals, and Mossel Bay will follow next week. Thursday saw these two towns record almost double the amount of new COVID-19 cases as the day before. Mkhize says people's behavior has to change.
The pandemic will be defeated not in the hospitals, but it will be defeated in the community.
The minister visited George Regional Hospital, where 43 staff members currently have active COVID-19 infections and many others are in isolation or quarantine. Hospitals and their staff are under severe pressure, with 85% of the region's COVID-19 beds already occupied. Nadine Turon, George.